How to change country on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to change our country on Roblox. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos by app hacks. So let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Roblox and head over to the more on the bottom right, and there you should find the settings. Head over to settings, and under settings, if you go to your account info, you should get your informations here. Now under your information, previously there used to be an option that allowed you to change your country on Roblox, but currently that feature has been disabled or removed by Roblox. So yeah, currently there is no feature which allows you to change your country location. But one thing that you can do is head back and head over to your settings. And under your settings, you can change your region. Now, to change your region, what you will need to do is head over to your general. And under general, if you scroll down, you should find language and region. So head over there. If you scroll down, you'll find the region option. Tap on it. And from there, you will be able to change your region. Now, with that, you will be able to change your region of your device whole. And with that, it will also get changed on your Roblox. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can change your country on Roblox. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.